the sensational Superfly, Rowdy Ricky Knight and Jimmy Ocean.
You better believe
And we are back for one night only.
And one night, this is the main night at Croydon. You thought it was safe to walk the streets. You thought the nightmare was over.
But we're back, brother. Back bigger and stronger. The Rowdy Man, the gentleman, for one night only. June the 1st at Croydon Barefoot Hall. When we will be banging our own nemesis, the Liverpool lads. Oh, but Jimmy, one of them is bald. One of them's got trouble. They've left Docty back in Florida because he's frightened to death of the Superflies.
Oh,
and you want to bring it in? That long-haired freak from Liverpool, Frankie Sloan. Hey, Frankie, wait till you come and meet the Superflies again, Frankie. You wish you stayed in Liverpool. You wish you stood there taking your JD and messing about with your old scrubbers because we get done to London, Croydon, June the 1st, the Superflies are going to rip your head off and Brookside. What are you going to say, Jimmy?
Don't be scared, Brookside, because let me tell you, every second of that night, we will be there haunting you mentally. There'll be nothing but mayhem on the 1st of June. So all you Liverpool fans out there, baby, you're going to witness doomsday.
And remember, Brookside, it's a one night only, so we ain't got to worry about recovery time. We ain't got to worry about hospital or stitches. We ain't got to worry about nothing. One night only, the Superflies are back, and we're going to destroy and cause mayhem like you've never seen before.
You better believe it.
Now get a camera